Assalamu alaikum. I am Nilüfer Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. I am your science teacher. How are you? I hope you are well. In this situation, we have to stay at home because of coronavirus. So our school authorized decided to take online class to help for your education. Welcome to my online class. Today I discuss with you chapter 12, Origin and Formation of the Earth. For thousands of years, man has been searching the answer to the question, how are the earth and the universe created? There are many conventional theories and stories in different cultures and scientists regarding the creation of the earth. But on the basis of evidence found so far, majority of the scientists have accepted this theory now. According to this theory, the universe was created following a vigorous explosion. One astronomical body of the universe is the Earth. We can see the outer side of the Earth, but the internal formation of the Earth is not easy to understand. The internal formation of the Earth can be presumed from the happenings of earthquake and volcanic eruption. Origin of the universe and the Earth. By end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the incident of the origin of the earth. Explain the formation of the earth. You will know that we live on the surface of the earth. What can we see as we look upward? We can see the sun at daytime, and night we can see the moon, stars and the planets. Have you ever wondered thinking, how was this earth created? There are many conventional theories and stories in different scientists about the origin of the earth and the universe. For example, in the fairy tales of ancient China, it is told that at first a monster was born from a gigantic ape. Everything in this universe is born out of different limbs of and appendages of the monster's body. Scientists gave the concept of the origin of the earth and the universe using many compelling evidence. Scientists assume that before course of years, one lump of a small but severely heavy and hot body exploded vigorously and scattered in all directions. This explosion is called the vigorous explosion. My dear student, I attached some picture to make understand vigorous explosion. After the vigorous explosion, a very small particle of the substance was converted into minute particles. Then this minute particle became a bit cool and came together to form an astronomical body. In this way, the sun and other stars were created. When on one hand, the astronomical bodies were created by the minute particles coming together. On the other hand, the universe was expanding more in course of time. The energy, matter, space, everything of the universe is created from this vigorous explosion. It is assumed that when the sun was created, then its remaining portion of small particles was floating in the space, like dust particles. After this, these dust particles came together and the earth was created about 4 million years ago. Evidence in favor of vigorous explosion. There are many theoretical evidence in favor of the creation of the universe by a vigorous explosion. One of the evidence is the universe is expanding till now. The galaxy and the stars in space are moving away from one another. Hence, perhaps one day were centralized in a small place and they were separated by explosion. My dear students, if you read the lesson properly at least 3 times, you can give any questions answer. Today's homework, make 15 MCQ from chapter 12, lesson 1 to 2. No more today. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Next day, I discuss with you the identify of the sun, the earth and the moon. Thank you.